Welcome back everybody. Now we're going to do a quick recap of the lower time frame price action on gold and Bitcoin, because I just came back to the charts and this one is live on gold. I didn't plan anything, so I wanted just to have a look and see what happened and if there were any possible entries available for me. And let me just show you. Before going out, I saw this move happening. If it wants to load, very good. As you can see, strong rejection in 1791, break and retest of those previous lows of the previous PSA, which was also, as you can see, a reaction made earlier, and possible entry with the sell limit over there halfway between the candle close and the PSA, and as you can see, 30 pips, pretty nice. We already saw the first reaction at 1786, which is a strong PSA, and we're going to see now what happened next. So as you can see, we can really identify a double bottom here, but still doesn't really mean anything by itself. What we can see and identify is that after the double bottom, we see the price breaking and retesting the previous highs of the legs of the double bottom, and not really saying that this is an entry, but is a point to take into consideration. Okay, so I have this first reaction. We have the first bullish attempt to break 1789, but look where the price is reacting afterwards. It's creating a flat candle body support at exactly those previous PSAs on the left, and especially these previous price points. This is a much clearer price entry. This is a high risk, high reward, but still quite nice entry due to the fact that we have further confirmation of bullish momentum and bullish trend. As you can see, you can start putting a trend line, but if you don't enter here, and this is this one would have gone quite messy, but to 30 pips, which was also 30 pips, these previous highs. You add another entry, either impulsively above when the price broke above 1789, or after seeing multiple rejections, you see that the price never actually broke below and made new lows. As you can see, we don't have price going below these previous PSA. Now it's freezing my computer, so and also trading view. So not really much to talk about, but as you can see, price never made a new lows, and again it broke above, and now we are again above 1789. What I'm really liking lately is to have sell or buy limit. So when you see this impulsive candle, I would like to have like a buy limit over there, the closest possible to the PPL or / key level. And as you can see, would have got really nicely to the TP. So this one, of course, was just in insight. I'm just analyzing the price action. But let's go on Bitcoin, and we're going to see with the replay. So Bitcoin, during this morning, I was looking at Bitcoin for price to break below here, but we never got a stronger confirmation of price breaking below 5,500. And as you can see, it bounced multiple times, but as well, after bouncing, no clear bullish trend, as you can see, just multiple rejections. After seeing this strong rejection, I was looking for some shoes, and because I did like this, I saw this rejection, possible entry with sell limit after impulsive candle below PPL. This was just as you can see, this was live, so I would consider taking this entry, and we're going to see how the price moved. Okay, so we start with some optimistic thing, but we see that the price then is not going to, the 30 pips is over there. So we see, this is very encouraging, but we see now that buyers are back into control. As you know, my go exit point is when a candle closes above the PPL, or maybe, so 7, 6, 5 pips. And when this candle closes, okay, I would have got out. 5 pips, it's perfectly fine loss. Now we're going to see if there is further confirmation of price rejecting or not. So we immediately see that the price is still ranging over there, still reacting at the PPL. But I want to see some price also going above here to really consider buys. What we actually see is another strong reaction at the same level that was already outlined. And as you can see, we are making a new stronger low. Same trade idea, same price point. We have another rejection. We have an impulsive candle closing below. It's not as strong as this one, but for me it's the same trade idea. Placing a sell limit over there, and then as you can see, we have plenty of range to take care of. And let's see, we know that got activated and immediately worked out. Very nice price action, exactly what we want. Some minor reaction at the PPL, very, very understandable. And again, this same price action, we can even consider taking another entry and like 50%. Let's see, another sell limit over there, activated. In this case, it would have been, this one would have been out, unless you leave it like 10 pips, which is one of the other exit strategy that I'm monitoring. This one would have been stopped out anyway, 10 pips. This one would be still live, or again another re-entry. If this one we close, another re-entry, possible re-entry with the sell limit over there after getting 5 pips. I remember this one is still in profit, the same bias. Again, not nearly close to 10 pips. But price is ranging, so I don't really like it. Yeah, in this case it would have been stopped out anyway. So messy price action. This one still open. I think 30 pips. This one we got partials already, so we're running risk free. So we're 10 pips, or if we say like 5, 6 out. A couple of losses over there with 5, 7 pips as well. This another pin bar is very strong, but of course now we would like some further confirmation to enter sells. Okay, very nice candle. If the price closes below the PPL, then I will take into consideration another entry as well. Okay, and as you can see, very aggressive and impulsive candle. Here, yes, it went to, that's why I have 15 pips. Even 10 pips would be safe. The candle closed at 3 pips, so there's no need to get out with 3 pips as an exit rule. And this one goes to full TP. This one goes at least at partials. This one goes to full TP as well. And what I'm going to see is very next PSA. Now it's too messy, so really this one is very aggressive, possibly with the same strategy, with not this one, prefer the first one, or like this one, to have like a like as well 50% sell limit, goes and grab it and then goes back below, goes to full TP. Okay, let's see this one, same idea. Let's see, we place a sell limit over there. So this one is good. This one was good, worked out in a couple of minutes. Let's see the very next one. Where would it be possibly activated and got out at 10 pips, 8 pips after the rejection. Let's see if now we have another opportunity. And now, because it's live. As you can see, we would have got another opportunity. Not a sell limit here would have not been activated. Here in the same price action, let me just do this. Same price action here. Let's see if it will work out as well. 50% from the PPL and then going down. Let's see if now this work out. This one is live. And this is it. It was just, I wanted to make it faster, but it's just price action analysis.